everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I prepare my semo, or this in particular is cocoa oat swallow, but I use this method to make my semo as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's get to the ingredients. So all you need is cocoa oats. You can use any brand of your choice. This is the one I have. Okay, so this is what the cocoa oat looks like. So this is why I'm going to be blending them. So measure out the amount you want to make. If you want to make more swallow, you can always blend more. So I'm going to pour out the amount I want to use, which this one is almost enough. Okay, so now I'm going to blend them to powder. You can use any blender of your choice. I'm using this little blender of mine to get this done. While blending this, I already added water, place water over the heat for this. Okay, so make sure you place your water over the heat. So the water is becoming hot. I love to do mine in a boiled water, so I'm going to allow the water to boil. So as you can see, the water is boiling, and I'm going to reduce this water because it's too much for the quantity of the cocoa oats I'm making. So here we go. Now I'm going to start adding my cocoa oats inside the hot water. You need to be fast as you're adding it, like stir them constantly to prevent them from forming lumps. Okay, so all the cocoa oat is inside my pot, as you can see, and I'm really fast in turning them because I just don't want them to turn. I don't want to have any trace of lump inside. Another thing I love doing, and I also do this with semo, is to add vegetable oil, just a little bit of vegetable oil inside this cocoa oats. This will prevent them from sticking around the pot. Okay, I also normally add them before adding the semo, like add them into my boiling water. You can add them whether now or before adding the semo into your water. The important is for you to add just a little bit of vegetable oil. Look at the magic of the vegetable oil. Can you see what it's doing to this cocoa oat? It's bringing everything together. Like, you don't even need to stress too much to wash your pot. So when I'm done mixing everything, I love to add a little bit of water and cover them to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is after 3 minutes, guys. I'm giving them the last mixed up. So I'm going to stir everything together. As you can see, our cocoa oat swallow is done, and my pot is as clean as ever. And the oil also help it to be very nice when they cool down. So if you haven't tried adding a little bit of oil into your cocoa oats or your semo while making them, give it a try and come back and thank me. So guys, our swallow is done, and I'm just putting them into my plastic cling film. This is optional. You can just skip this step. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you find it helpful. Give it a try, and please share this video, like, and give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Bye. If you are looking for a weight loss, this is very good swallow for you. Okay, so yeah.